Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZOM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, all I can really say is kaboom, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from previously. But I talked about that resistance right there acting as that, trendline resistance. The price gapped above it right there. So in technical jargon, this is what we would call a trendline breakout, and quite a breakout it's been. So moral of the story here, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one on Friday. A whole lot of updates need to be made. I'm just going to go ahead and delete these lines out down here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible moving forward. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting. And that rule states that, preferably speaking, if the price could stay above that $1.30 mark, that would be a fantastic sign of strength. Now, don't get me wrong. Yeah, it's a nice rule to have these higher up levels of support hold themselves. But if the price were to drop below $1.30, that doesn't mean that all of a sudden, because that rule has been violated, the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. Absolutely not. Again, preferably speaking, if the price could actually manage to stay up above that level at $1.30, way up, where the price is right now, that would be extremely impressive. However, by no means is that some sort of do or die must hold area. Taking a bigger step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. And that's always important and helpful because when it comes to just gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. I must visualize that. That is what has been represented. Again, sure, staying above $1.30 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, key level now to watch moving forward is just where the price got rejected a couple of times today, and that's right up there at that $1.46 mark. So keep a close eye on $1.46. But all in all, fantastic movement today, fantastic volume. So let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.